In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create experiments in Google Ads. This is a fantastic feature that lets you test changes to your ad campaigns and see what works best before making permanent adjustments. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Ads. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads, or you can click on the link provided in the video description. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is sign into your Google Ads account. If you haven't set up an account already, don't worry. Google provides a seamless setup process that guides you through every step of getting started with online advertising. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is your launchpad for managing all your campaigns and accessing a range of analytical tools. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Campaigns tab, which is generally at the top of your screen. This tab is your main hub for managing your advertising campaigns, where you can view performance metrics and make adjustments as needed. Now let's move on to the key aspect of today's tutorial, creating experiments. Within the Campaigns section, you'll see an Experiments option. Click on that. Experiments in Google Ads allow you to create trial scenarios where existing campaigns are duplicated and modified slightly to test the effects of those changes. It's a safe and controlled environment to see how tweaks could impact your campaign outcomes. Once you are in the experiments area, you'll notice an ad icon, often symbolized by a plus sign. This is where you'll initiate a new experiment. Clicking this icon is what officially starts the process of setting up a new experiment. The platform will then prompt you to select a campaign you wish to experiment with. You'll be able to adjust variables like bid strategies, ad creatives, and more to see what kind of impact they might have. Throughout the setting up of experiments, make sure to document each change clearly. Naming your experiments descriptively can help you keep track of what changes have been made. Remember, the goal is to glean actionable insights, so having detailed records will make evaluating your results that much easier. Finally, once your experiment is up and running, Google Ads will provide ongoing feedback and performance metrics. Monitoring these metrics closely will give you a good understanding of which changes are having a positive impact and which aren't. With these insights, you can make informed decisions about implementing successful strategies across all your campaigns. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on how to create experiments in Google Ads. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to optimize your campaigns effectively. Thanks for joining me today and happy experimenting.